Here we are in Skagway. The ships would be down there a few blocks over to the left, or you might call it the end of town, and then the residential area. Gonna get out here for a little bit in the middle. Don't think anybody cares. The buildings are kept up, although a lot of them were not open today for whatever reason. Not enough ships in town. This is a shuttle bus, take you into town, back to the ship, $2 each way, of course. There's some happy tourists being touristy. But it's really empty now. Of course, it wasn't really crowded while we were here. Not very crowded anyway. But now it's really far from being crowded. And there were several cars parked along the road. Now there's just 10 maybe. I'm gonna go back on the sidewalk because there's a car coming. Probably getting rain on my lens. It's sprinkling. Been raining off and on all day. But there's still a little bit of a sprinkle here and there. But lots of gift shops and things like that. Not a lot of people upstairs and open windows, but at least one. Everybody's selling something. People crossing the road, slowly but surely. I'm gonna go faster than her. Hi. Hi there. In most towns I wouldn't be able to do this, right? But there's more shops that way. More people that way. Just about to our turn. Of course, town ends right there, and then it's the harbor. So from Skagway, Alaska, this is Gareth from Port Monkeys saying, see you in the next port. Bye.